Hi, I'm Danny Ecker with your Chicago Business Today Midday Report. One casualty of the real estate market collapse has been the Chicago Housing Authority's plan for transformation, its effort to mix privately owned units with subsidized housing. 12 years after it launched the plan, which had stalled in recent years as developers haven't been able to build new for sale units, the CHA this fall will announce a new strategic plan to deal with more difficult economic conditions. Our Micah Maidenberg wrote about this week. Micah, recap again sort of why this program was rolled out originally and how short the developers have come up in recent years.
So, as you said, Danny, the plan started about 12 years ago, and the idea was to tear down high-rise public housing, mostly high-rise public housing, and replace them with neighborhoods that mixed for-sale units with rentals, subsidized rentals. The development partners, CHA, the Housing Authority, has chosen to, do that building, have simply, not been able to build the for-sale components at many of the sites. Now, some for-sale housing has been built, but it's lagged, and there's still more than 3,000 for-sale units that they're supposed to build.
Right. Now, this formula you wrote about, it's a third, a third, a third. It's referring to the makeup of some of these communities they would be building. Can you explain a little bit about that and how that may change?
That's kind of shorthand for 1/3 of the units at CHA redevelopment sites are supposed to be market rate units. 1/3 are meant to be priced affordably. And the remaining third are CHA replacement units for public housing residents. Mm-hmm. So it's not exactly clear how that will change, but the big question is, and what we tried to show in the piece is that with the for-sale housing market still very soft and the developers at the CHA sites not able to build, there's a lot of questions about whether home ownership will continue to be part of these redevelopment communities.
And so the downturn really was, a big factor in this plan, maybe not coming to fruition as they had hoped. But how much of it is that? How much is it sort of this maybe blanket approach to certain areas versus a sort of targeted approach at creating different kinds of communities around the city?
One of the things that may change is that the Housing Authority will look at a more targeted approach to these redevelopment sites. The Cabrini Green is very close to River North and the Gold Coast. It's very good real estate, whereas the Robert Taylor Home site is much further on the south side, and that's just a very different real estate market. The sort of blanket approach to having roughly a third, a third, a third at all of these public housing sites just simply may no longer be viable. It may be more kind of targeted, and the new head of the Housing Authority, Charles Woodyard, has kind of indicated that he's interested in going that direction.
Okay, Micah, good story. We'll be watching this fall.
Thanks, Danny.